Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. The sharp recovery in U.S. equity markets did continue into Asia and Europe, where most bourses end the week with a firm tone. The closing level of Europe's Stoxx 600 is slightly higher than last week. The U.S. futures trade a little heavier. After yesterday's dramatic downturn, there has been very little dollar selling today. Sterling is the weakest major currency, down around 0.85%. Below $1,655, gold remains in the defensive. This week, it is down 2.4%. The December WTI increased every day last week, but it is now falling for the fourth session. It is currently at $87 per barrel and down 4.7% after rising 16% last week. Asian Pacific market. Last week, Japanese investors sold foreign bonds. They have sold foreign bonds worth 1.7 trillion yen. Foreign investors also sold Japanese bonds worth 110 billion yen to Japanese investors. As the yen plunges to its lowest level in 30 years, Japanese officials are increasing their warnings. Rumors that Japan had entered the market yesterday following the US CPI were not credible. After the CPI, the dollar's dramatic movement after it was released appeared to be a case whereby the rumor, sell the fact. This occurred after a brief delay. It is not surprising that dollar highs have been recorded in Europe and the US, despite the small chance of intervention from Tokyo. JPY 148 is the next target. Yesterday's potential upside reversal of the Australian dollar was followed by follow buying that brought it to $0.6350 today. Then, selling pressure in early European turnover caused selling pressure. Market of Europe. Eurozone reported an unexpectedly large trade deficit of 50.9 trillion euros in August. The deficit for June and July combined was close to 55 billion euros. This brings the year-to-date deficit to 228.2 million euros. Yesterday's potential upside turn in the euro was recorded. After the US CPI, it fell to new lows for 3 weeks but rallied and closed higher than Wednesday's high. It was at $0.9805, and today's follow-through buying was only a few tenths. The UK gilts are continuing to recover in dramatic fashion, but sterling is now struggling after 2 strong days. Market of America. The retail sales, import and exported prices, as well as business inventories, are unlikely to exceed the inflation and jobs data. These data will be used to help economists estimate third-quarter GDP. Notably, Bullard's speech tomorrow at the IMF sidelines will be on inflation. Yesterday's key reversals were significant for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Although initially they sold off quickly in reaction to the higher CPI, they recovered dramatically and set a new weekly high. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.